Hi, my name is Danielle Hess with Berkshire Hathaway. Welcome to 7415 Ardenno. Come with me, we're going to take a tour. As you enter the home and walk past the stairway, you will be greeted to a great room and an open, modern kitchen with a gigantic island. Coming up the stairs leads you to a spacious loft. On the east wing, you have an ensuite bedroom, and on the west, you have 3 bedrooms with walk-in closets. What I love about this maintenance-free backyard is the synthetic grass, pavers, extended patio cover, and there are no 2-story homes behind you peering in. That concludes our tour at 7415 Ardenno. If you'd like more information about this home or living in Valley Vista Master Plan Community, contact me.
Excellent.
So as you enter the home, I got stuck. My hand got stuck. Okay. Welcome to 7415 Ardenno. Oh gosh.
Yeah.
Okay. So what I love about this home, wait a minute. What I love about, okay. So what I love about this home is, I got a hair in my mouth. Okay. Upstairs on the east wing, you have an ensuite bedroom. Is there synthetic grass? That concludes our tour at, oh geez. And there are no 2-story homes behind the, what is wrong behind you? If you'd like any more, okay, that was too funny.